LEM was established in 1967. We manufacture, print, etch, die cut, basically fabricate all sorts of safety tags, labels, identification products that can last anywhere from 5 to 50 years.
There's a lot of custom solutions that our customers ask, and we are able to work with our engineers and product developers to help create solutions for them, whether it be a cold weather application, as well as UV, high heat, and marine industries as well. Lockout tagout is a device used to help keep workers safe. So we supply the tags, we sell the tags, we also sell them as a kit if you need the station that it hangs on, as well as the locking device, whether it be a master lock. They'll use it in conjunction with typically a safety program where the operator will follow a procedure to lock out the device that they're currently going to be working on. That way it de-energizes the system and they can effectively perform the maintenance or repairs needed without creating any potential for injury.
At LEM Products, we're an industry leader for safety identification across all industries. So we are the best manufacturer and the best choice to make for identification and safety ID.
How we differ in the industry is that we are a manufacturer, so we have the capabilities to produce all of these products in-house. We've been doing this for a very long time. We know the ins and outs of the business and how to create solutions for our customers to help keep people safe. We are here to serve you. We are now part of a larger organization where we have the capabilities to advance, continuously improve, work with our customers to provide better solutions through equipment acquisition, create new value streams, products that we haven't been able to work with before. We now have avenues to create more solutions for our customers.